Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can deliver an order in your Fiverr account. So to do that, all you need to do is go ahead and open your order page. You can find your order page in My Business, right beside dashboard. The first option, just tap on it, and now you can see the option that says manage orders. As you can see, I don't have any priorities orders to show, and this is a new account, so I cannot show you. But if you have an order over here, you'll be able to see an option right over here, right on your right hand side, and in there you can choose two options that says deliver your order or deliver your order now. So you can choose the options and you can deliver an order properly. So guys, that's how you deliver an order in your Fiverr account if you're a freelancer. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. Please like and drop a comment down below. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.